$60 million mansions manufactured melanin mud through this metropolis. Millimeters.
Washed, looking like a glass house, glaze on the dash, leather is smelling like Ralph Lauren. Feel like I'm watching television. I got a desk
I doubt they gon' open the casket. They can't open the casket. Might get the crash at every op shop. We could be in Manhattan. The night we all leaving behind. The sound of crashing waves. Burn out your road. Recognize your things from somewhere. I guess I am.
This is my quickening. Transcend.
Love it, I was made for this. Yeah.
That make you 6'8", you find out pretty quick that every alpha male's bitch made. Switch lanes, labels tell me learn to pick a genre, but every paycheck keeps that.
Some niggas steady scheming, you hear it in my
and Tracy and San Quentin. You can blame the fast living or the whiskey.